Hi, my name is Uriel Amador. I'm a student of Bachelor's in Mechatronic Engineering at Tecnológico de Monterrey, and in this video I'll explain the oil spill that occurred in Cadereyta Jimenez in the year 2014. And in order to understand this situation, we must review what's a hydrocarbon, their properties, and also the properties of the water, so then we can get to a solution and analyze this problem from a chemical point of view. First of all, hydrocarbons are organic compounds made up only from carbon and hydrogen atoms. They can be classified in aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbons, but we're going to be using the alkanes, alkenes, and aromatics. Talking about their polarity and geometry, since the difference between their electronegativity is less than 0.4, they are non-polar molecules, and in the geometry, in this case of the methane, is tetrahedral. In the case of the water molecule, the difference between the electronegativity from the oxygen and the hydrogen is 1.24, which converts the molecule into a dipole, and in this case, the electronic geometry is tetrahedral and the molecular geometry is bent. The reason why hydrocarbons are not soluble in water is because of the general solubility rule that tells us that nonpolars can only be dissolved in nonpolars molecules and polars with polars dissolvents. Another physical property that we should keep in mind is the density. In the case of the water is 1 kilogram per liter, and in the case of the hexane, a hydrocarbon is 0.659 kilograms per liter, which is a huge difference. This also explains why oil rises to the surface of water instead of sinking or mixing with it. My solution to this oil spill is to use smart sponges, which have the capability to selectively absorb oil while clean water and unaffected marine life is left behind. By using these smart sponges that are made of magnetic nanostructures and carbon-based substrate, we can implement a system that collects all the oil. Because these sponges can absorb up to 30 times their weight, and after you use it, you can squeeze it to recover the oil and then use them again. So in my opinion, this is one of the best solutions we can use in order to clean and limit the damage that the oil spills can produce. These smart sponges are designed to be a low-cost and reusable solution. Its materials are simple and widely available, which means that mass production wouldn't be a problem. This makes it a sustainable and economically viable alternative for cleaning oil spills. In conclusion, the Cadereyta spill demonstrates how fundamental chemical principles such as polarity and solubility explain real environmental problems. Thanks.